ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വൺ വേർഡ് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട്സ് ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. എ പേഴ്സൺ ഹൂ ലുക്സ് ഓൺ ദ ഡാർക്ക് സൈഡ് ഓഫ് ലൈഫ്, പെസിമിസ്റ്റ്. എ പേഴ്സൺ ഹൂ ലുക്സ് ഓൺ ദ പോസിറ്റീവ് സൈഡ് ഓഫ് ലൈഫ്, optimist. A person who knows many languages, linguist. A person who makes supreme sacrifice for a noble cause, martyr. A person who loves his country and devoted to it, patriot. A person who undertakes a commercial venture, entrepreneur. A person who has uncontrollable obsession to steal, kleptomaniac. A person who has long experience, veteran. A person who is inexperienced, novice. A person who loves mankind, philanthropist. A person who hates mankind, misanthropist. One who hates women, misogynist. One who hates men, misandrist. One who devotes his life to the welfare of others, altruist. One who appreciates beautiful things, aesthete. One who doubts the good intention of others, cynic. A person who is opposite to war or violence, pacifist. One who is present everywhere, omnipresent. One who is all powerful, omnipotent. Animals capable of consuming plants and meat, omnivorous. One who knows everything, omniscient. A person having profound knowledge, scholar. A person with very high intelligence and great abilities, genius. A person who has extensive knowledge, erudite. A scholar of language and speech, philologist. A person who is too ready to believe, credulous. A person who is neither intelligent nor dull, mediocre. One who has special skill in judging art, music, taste, etc., connoisseur. One who is able to use both hands equally well, ambidextrous. One who is devoted to pleasure and luxury, sybarite. A person who is very fond of senses, enjoyments, especially in food and wine, epicure. A person is a person of unusual or strange behavior, eccentric. An young person of unusual or remarkable talent, prodigy. One who travels in an air balloon, airship or other aircraft, aeronaut. One who compiles dictionaries, lexicographer. One who knows many languages, linguist. One who practices beautiful handwriting, calligrapher. A person who is bad in spelling, cacographist. A totalitarian leader of a country or government, dictator. One who draws plans for building, draughtsman. One who carves in stone, sculptor. One who collects postage stamps, philatelist. One who collects coins, medals, etc., numismatist. One who collects postcards, deltologist. One who is in charge of a museum or an art gallery, curator. One who deals in cattle, drover. A leading person in a contest or a main character in a novel, play, etc. Protagonist. A person who lends support, especially financially, for a cause. Benefactor. One who is punished for the mistakes of others. Scapegoat. One who is working while others are on strike. Blackleg. One whose actions are not consistent with their claimed beliefs. Hypocrite. One who is intolerantly devoted to an opinion or system. Bigot. One who is honorably discharged from service. Emeritus. One who shows a strong desire for revenge. Vindictive. One who is sent out on a mission. Emissary. One who is a professional rider in horse races. Jockey. A child whose father is dead. Orphan. A soldier who fights for money. Mercenary. A person who causes social or political trouble. Firebrand. A person chosen to settle the issue between parties engaged in a disputes. Arbitrator. A person who does something only for pleasure and not for money. Amateur. A person who is satisfied with the current situation. Complacent. A person who thinks only of himself. Egoist. A person who believes the only aim in life should be pleasures. Hedonist. A person who is indifferent to pleasure and pain. Stoic. A person who doubts the accepted opinions. Skeptic. One who believes in God. Theist. One who does not believe in God. Atheist. The foolish believe that one is God. Theomania. One who is irreverent towards God. Blasphemous. One who does not know whether God exists or not. Agnostic. One who believes that God is everything and everything is God. Pantheist. One who believes in one God. Monotheist. One who believes in more than one God. Polytheist. A person who is wild in his religious beliefs. Fanatic. One who worships idols. Idolater. A person who breaks idols or criticizes cherished beliefs. Iconoclast. A person who goes to a holy place. Pilgrim. A person who foretells future events. Prophet. A person who forsakes religion. Renegade. One who strongly supports a particular belief or political movement. Apostle. A person who tells the future of man by the position of stars. Astrologer. A person of narrow views and taste. Philistine. One who is habitually silent. Taciturn. One who hates book. Bibliophile. Bibliophobe. One who is forced by law to become soldier. Conscript. One who feeds on human flesh. Cannibal. The unlawful killing of a human by another human. Murder. The act of killing of a person. Homicide. The act of killing oneself intentionally. Suicide. The act of killing of one's mother, father, or other close relative. Parricide. The act of killing one's mother. Matricide. The act of killing one's father, patricide. The act of killing an infant or child, infanticide. The act of killing one's own children, prollicide. The act of killing one's own sister, sororicide. The act of killing one's own brother, fratricide. The act of killing one's wife, uxoricide. The act of killing one's husband, mariticide. The act of killing a king, regicide. The act of merciful killing of a person or animal, euthanasia. The custom of having only one wife, monogamy. A short remark written in a letter after it is signed, postscript. A speech delivered by one person, especially in a play or film, monologue. A collection of literary pieces such as poems, short stories, anthology, spoken without previous thought or preparation, extempore. Handwritten copy of a book, manuscript. A handwriting that cannot be read, illegible. Way of speaking or writing using very few words, laconic. A short interesting story about some real person or event, anecdote. A short remark written in a letter after it is signed, postscript. The study of ancient societies is ethnology, the science of the development of the meaning of words, semantics. Words different in meaning but similar in pronunciation, homonym. A regional variety of a language, dialect. The scenic of creating new words, science of creating new words, verbology. The science of speech, sounds and their production, phonetics. Words that are separated in sentence but perform in a single function, correlatives. A list of books referring to a particular subject, bibliography. The writing, editing or compiling of dictionaries, lexicography. The art of making maps and charts, cartography. The scientific study of languages, linguistics. An account of a person's life written by another, biography. An account of a person's life written by that person, autobiography. The practice of beautiful handwriting, calligraphy. A complete list of items in a systematically arranged manner, catalogue. The scientific study of interpretation, hermeneutics. The study of the forms of plants and animals, morphology. The scientific study of the structure of organisms, anatomy. Examination of a dead body to determine the cause of death, autopsy. To put an end to something by killing, annihilate. The study and collection of picture postcards, deltiology. The study of origin and history of words and their meanings, etymology. Study of brain, phrenology. The study of statistics of births, deaths, diseases to show the state of community, demography. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വൺ വേർഡ് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻസ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ അടുത്ത ടോപ്പിക്കായിട്ട് കാണാം. താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.